Okay, so now we are going to start with a few sums of mean. Then we have to find out the median and finally the mode. So the mean, median and mode. Okay. Now, in order to find the first and foremost, what is mean? Mean is average. Mean is the average. The median is the middlemost score. The middle or center score. And mode so I always call it most in demand, or actually it is most frequent score. Okay, so I'll give you the formulae as we go by. Okay, so now what is mean equal to? Sum of scores upon number of scores. Sum of scores upon number of scores. Now, how do I calculate the median? Median. Okay. Now, n number of scores. Okay, if it is an odd number, median is equal to n plus 1 upon 2, that score. Okay, so it is that score. I'll tell you how to get it right. Now, if n is even number, median is equal to n upon 2 plus n plus 2 upon 2 upon 2 that score. Okay, I'll explain it to you in more detail. Write this formula first. Okay, so if n is an odd number and n is an even number, okay, so this even number, okay, I will tell you how to do it. Correct? Is that understood? Okay, now let's start with the sums, then we will understand. Just write down the formula first, then we will understand how to do this, right? Now, the first question, okay, the first question which I'm going to teach you is, okay, now they are telling you the scores are as follows. In a basket, there are 10 tomatoes. Okay, so n is equal to 10. Okay, the weight of each tomato in grams is given as follows. So we will say scores, right? Now we will write the scores in ascending order. Okay, we will write the scores in ascending order. Okay, now ascending order means first we will write 50. Okay. Second, we will write 60. Third, we will write 65 is there two times. So we'll write 65 and 65, which is there two times. Okay. Then we will write 70. Then we will write 80. Then we will write 90 twice. 90 twice, and 95 is also there two times. Okay, 95 is also there two times. So we will write 95 twice. Okay, let's count if there are 10 scores. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Correct. Now first, I will first tell me what is the mean. Okay, now my mean is equal to sum of scores upon n number of scores. Write this as capital N upon number of scores. So sum of scores means I must do 50 plus 60 plus 65 plus 65 plus 70 plus 80 plus 90 plus 90 plus 95 plus 95. Correct? So let's add the scores. 50 plus 60, 110. 65 plus 65, 130. 70 plus 80, 150. 180 and 190. Let's add this. So we'll get 0, 3, 4, 4 plus 5 is 9, 9 plus 9 is 18, 18 plus 8 is 26. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 760. Okay, so sum of the scores is 760 upon number of scores is 10. So this 0 gets cancelled. So my mean is equal to 76 gram. Okay. Now, what about my mode? Mode means most frequent score. Most frequent score. Now, tell me, how many times is 65 there? Twice. How many times is 90 there? Also twice. And how many times is 95 there? Also twice. Okay. So, our mode, we will say, cannot be determined. Okay, so we will say most frequent score cannot be determined because it three numbers, na? Okay. Okay. Now, after this, we will find out the median. What is the median? Okay. Now, n is an even number. N is an even number. Okay. So, n upon 2 plus n plus 2 upon 2. N plus 2 upon 2. The average of this, okay, that score. Now let's find out what is n upon 2. How much is n? 10. 10 upon 2 means fifth score, not 5, the fifth score, plus n. 10 plus 2, 12 upon 2, sixth score. upon 2. Okay, now how will you say which is the fifth score? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the fifth score. So what is it? 70. Okay, okay, I'll write this again just for your convenience. Write this again, median. Once again I repeat, median. Even number. So n upon 2 plus n plus 2 upon 2. Okay, divided by 2. That score. Okay, now how much is n? 10. 10 upon 2 is fifth score, plus 10 plus 2, 12 upon 2 is 6. So sixth score upon 2, which is the fifth score. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is 70 plus sixth score is 80 upon 2. 70 plus 80 is 150 upon 2. So median is equal to 75. Start for my black marker. Is that clear? Now let's go to the second sum. Let's go to the second sum. Okay. Now, what is the second question? They are saying that a hockey player has scored the following number of goals in 10 matches. So once again, n is equal to 10. Scores. Now, I always will arrange in ascending order. In ascending order. Okay, I'll arrange my scores in ascending order. So, you will write 0. 0 has to be written because it is a score. Okay. Now, how many times is 2 there? 2 is there twice. Okay. Then, how many times is 3 there? 3 is there thrice. How many times is 4 there? Also thrice. And the last is 5. 5. Okay. Now, pay attention. Let's see, there are 10 scores. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, mean sum of scores okay upon number of scores. Now let's add 2 plus 2 4, 4 7, 10, 13, 13 and 12, 25. 25 and 5 is 30. 30 upon 10, which is equal to 3. Now mood. Most frequent score. 3 and 3 and 3. 3 is there 3 times, 4 is also there 3 times. So we can say 3 and 4. Okay. Now, median. Now, once again, n is an even number. So, n upon 2 plus n plus 2 upon 2. Average of that that score. Okay, now 10 upon 2, 5. So 5th score plus 10 plus 2, 12 upon 2, 6th score upon 2. Now, which is, it's not 5, it's the 5th score. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3. Which is the 6th score? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 3 upon 2. 3 plus 3, 6 upon 2, which is equal to 3. So, my median is 3. So, my mean, median, mode and median. Okay. Now, see the next sum. Okay, now let's see. Okay, what is it now? Find the mean, median, mode of the given data. Third question. Okay, so we'll write scores in ascending order. Scores in ascending order. Okay, now what is it? Now, how many times 13 is there? 1, 2, 3, 4 times 13 is there. So 13, 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 times 13 is there. Okay, now how many times 14 is there? Twice. So 14 and 14 twice. Okay, now 14 is there twice. Then 16. Okay, after 16 you have 18 and then 21. 18 and 21. Okay, how many scores? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 scores are there altogether. Okay, let's see if there are 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So what is my mean? My mean is sum of scores upon number of scores. Is that clear? Now let's add these scores. Let's add these scores. 13, 1, 2, 3, 4 times, that is 52, plus 28 plus 16 plus 18 is 34. Okay, and 21. 10, 14, 15. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 30. So that becomes 135 divided by 9. So that is equal to 135 upon 9. When you divide 135 by 9, what do you get? You get 15. Okay, 15. 9s are 135. Now, what is my mode? Most frequent score. Okay, now which is the most frequent score? 13 is there 4 times, so my most frequent score is 13. Now median, n is equal to 9. It's an odd number, correct? So n plus 1 upon 2, that score. So 9 plus 1, 10 upon 2, 5th score. Not 5, 5th score. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the 5th score. So what is my median? My median is equal to 14. My median is equal to 14. Okay. Now see the next sum. Now look at this. 9 people take a test in mathematics. Okay, and their scores out of 100 are, so 56, 79, 77, 48, 90, 68, 79, 92, 71. So what is the lowest score? 48. Okay, then after 48 is 56. Okay, after 56 is 68, 71, correct? 77, 79 is there twice. Okay, and then you have a 90. Let's see whether one score we have missed out. Okay, 48, 56, 48, 56. Did I put 71, 68? Okay, 71. Okay, then after 71 you have 77, 77, 79 twice, 90, and there's a 92. So we got 9 scores: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 scores. So my n is equal to 9. Now mean is equal to sum of scores upon number of scores. Sum of scores means we'll add all of them, correct? Now add the scores, 48 plus 56, add all of them. Okay, add, we will get 660 divided by 9. Okay, divided by 9. Can you cancel with 3? 3 3s are correct. 2 20s are 3 7s are 21. 3 3s are 9. So 73.3 is my mean. Now my mood, most frequent score, which is the most frequent score? 79. It is there twice, right? So 79 is my most frequent score. What is my median? Now my median, this is an even an odd number, so n plus 1 upon 2, that score. So 9 plus 1, 10 upon 2, fifth score. Which is the fifth score? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 77 is my median. 77 is my median. This is my sum number 4. Okay, sum number 4. Now I'm moving to sum number 5. Okay, slightly different sum. Now they are telling you here that there are 10 observations arranged in ascending order as given: 2, 3, 5, 9, x plus 1, x plus 3, 14, 16, 19 and 20. 14, 16, 19 and 20. Now median is given to you as 11. Median is given to you as 11. Okay, you have to find out x and you have to find out the mode and the mean. Okay, so now let's see. The median is 11, correct? Now how much is n? Okay, n, number of scores, capital N will write it as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. Therefore my median n upon 2 plus n plus 2 upon 2, the average of this, that score. Now, median is equal to 11. They are telling you what is the median. What is n upon 2? N is 10 upon 2, fifth score, plus sixth score divided by 2. Now, which is the fifth score? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth score is x plus 1. Sixth score is x plus 3. This 2 goes on top, it becomes 22. Therefore, 2x plus 4. I always told you this will bring it this side is equal to 22. Therefore, 2x is equal to 22 minus 4 is 18. Therefore, x is equal to 9. X is equal to 9. Okay. So, this is 10. Okay. And this number is 9 plus 3, 12. Okay. So, these are my scores 10 and 12. Correct. Now, let's find out the mean. Okay. So, now this will become, now you have to write out the scores again, right? So, now instead of x plus 1, 10, comma 12. Okay. So, therefore, mean sum of scores upon number of scores. So, this is equal to 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 5, 10, 5, 10, 20, 20, 40, 40, 70, 70 and 21, 91, 91 and 19, 100. So, my average is 10. Okay, let's check the addition. 5, 5 plus 5, 10, 20, 29, 29 and 30 is 59, 69, 79, 79 plus, okay, 19, 29, 31. Let's just check it once. 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 5, 10, plus 10, 20, plus 9, 29, plus 30, 59, okay, plus 20, 79, okay, 79, plus 14 plus 19 plus 12, 19, 29, 31. So, that's equal to 110, 110 upon which is equal to 11. Okay. Now, what is my mode, my median?